Since Vladimir Putin's troops invaded Ukraine on February 24, multiple stories have come out about largely conscripted soldiers surrendering. But now a group of Russian separatist soldiers have revolted after their commanders left them on the front line in hunger and cold. In footage posted on Telegram, the soldiers, who claim to be from the 113th Rifle Regiment of the so-called Donetsk People's Republic, say they have been fighting for months without proper kit or medical care. Their commander says men with chronic medical conditions, who should have escaped the draft, have instead been sent into the midst of the fighting alongside carers and those with young children. The higher command interpret our complaints as sabotage, he says. But what is there to be gained from sending your soldiers to die? The video emerged amid bitter and bloody fighting between Ukraine and Russia and Donbas, of which Donetsk is a part, though the unit in the video is thought to have been stationed near Kherson, an occupied city hundreds of miles to the southwest. But when the troops take these questions and complaints to the higher command, they are reportedly ignored and interpreted as sabotage. The commander said, "Show respect for your officers. What is there to be gained from sending your soldiers to die?" Each fighter wore a piece of white fabric tied around some part of their uniform, presumably to act as a white flag signal of surrender. Ukraine previously promised Russian mums they would be allowed to come fetch their sons, unharmed, from Kyiv. But it is unclear how surrender will work for these men as most of Kherson is under Russian occupation. Nevertheless, pro-Ukraine rebels have been operating in the area with threats and Ukrainian flags posted on social media and pinned on telephone poles, trees and walls. Kherson has also been the scene of attacks by pro-Ukraine saboteurs operating partisan style behind enemy lines. Russian occupiers and everyone who supports them. "We are close, already operating in Kherson. Death awaits you all," warned posters that appeared all over the area. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.